Well, here we are back in the E46 with the Avant A4, and I told you in the last video I would figure out how to install Android Auto and get it working. Now, being a clown of the highest order, I decided to bury my USB ports with nothing but a single cord poking out the side of the console. So I couldn't easily get to my USB ports that are supplied in the box without taking the whole dashboard apart. Well, I decided, since I haven't used the proper bracket to hold the HVAC controls in, just yank it out without unplugging them, and then finger around until I get a USB port, and that's what we have. So, what we need to do is, on the website for the USB adapter that controls Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, there is a link to download the APK and install it on the radio. You can't just download it separate. So I'm going to plug in the USB port, open up the file command, and get this thing installed. And right away after plugging it in and turning it on, the radio thought it was music, but there's no music there. So what we do see is, I'll blur that out. What we do see is it recognized the USB immediately. Focus! It recognized the USB immediately. So we have to go to the file browser, open that up, flash drive, USB, Android, data, no, hold on, autoplay, tap it, install it, app installed, open, allow, please insert the box into the USB port of the car. So what we need to do is flip over to our Android Auto enabled phone, and we should be in business. Well, after all that half-assery, it turns out that while I pulled out the USB to plug the jump drive in, I unplugged in the dashboard via tugging the Android adapter. So, ended up ripping the dashboard apart anyway. Should have just done the job correctly the first time. But, installed the APK, did a test run, and there's a few things to approve and agree to with Android Auto, but here we go. Got the dingus end of the charge air, and I'm going to plug it in. Boom. Connecting. Android Auto in a 2002 BMW 330i. I am so excited now. Oh. Well, I have some things to update, but because this phone doesn't get used too often, the one I plugged into. It's an old phone. It's pretty much just used for videos and dumb stuff. So there's nothing else on there. But when I plug my Pixel 3 into it, it works beautifully. Thanks for watching.